In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like you're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find a post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. And here's the post from Lewis. Hey guys, I need to replace the lid lock, but I'm having issues taking off the panel. I can't seem to get it loose. Anyone got any tips? Maytag model number MVW6200KW2. And here's the Maytag washer that needs the panel removed off of. And here are the comments from Kyle. I did that for years, and recently what I found is if I take a 2/4 inch screw out of the lid in the back, I just lift that thing up about 2 to 3 inches on each side, and I can push that tab in super easy with my finger. Poof, poof. I like doing it that way so that I don't take any chance of damaging the plastic or scratching anything. I can do both sides in about 20 seconds. And the reply to that is give that a try in a few. Kyle says, Lewis says, I give that a try in a few minutes. Let's see what the reply, 3 replies. Lewis says, having a hard time taking off the control board panel. I've tried with the credit card and it's a pain in the butt. The top comes off the hinge if lifted from the back, but it's attached and still from the front side. It doesn't slide forward as the video shows. William says, Lewis, thanks for your post. If you already taken out the screws at the back of the console and the top panel, the next step is to slide a putty knife in each front corner of the console to pop the clips loose. That'll let you lift the console up, unplug the wires, and set it aside. From there, the top panel should slide forward. Lift up about 1 inch and then push back to release the front locking tab so you can raise it up. I'd adjust putting some tape on the lid before you do this. If you lift the front too far, the lid can swing open and slam back. Once the top is up, you'll have access to remove the lid lock assembly. Here is a video that gives a good visual reference in case it helps. The video will be in the description. The link will be in the description. Gonzalez says, check rear of unit and you see hinge that you can do the following. There's 2 front clips you press in. Use a putty knife and feel for it in the press on the center of clip. If not, then you'll have to remove the control console and look for screws. Lynn says, I'm having the same issue. Joe says, I use a butter knife. Seriously, works very well for me. Ray says, show a video of how to do it. Plus, you can order the lid switch at the same time. Kyle says, I will follow up on that and say that you have to push from the front of that tab, not the back. Marianne says, old Charlie from Charlie's Appliance Repair told me to wire around mine, so I did. Did the same with my dryer. Ethan, credit card. Okay, that's it for the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the station. To all you DIYers and appliance tech, please chime in if you have a question or that can help help with the issue of this appliance. Have a good day.